create your own tech gadgets and accessories website for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own website for free using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button, and it will take us to this page where we can browse through a wide range of templates, which are pre-made templates that can help us build our own website by just changing the header and some texts and drag and drop in some elements, some blocks and some sections, and then we will have our website for starting to sell or to offer services or whatever your website is about. So here we have the filtering by type or by topic, if it's an online store, portfolio, memberships, blog, or about the topic, if it's about health and beauty, local business, fashion, travel, weddings, nature, fitness. So let's see if you can find the tag or accessories, gadgets, or anything related to technology. So I can't see something like that, so we don't have anything like that in here. So let's just scroll down to see what are all the templates that we have in here. So this is the blank template for the people that want to build their website from scratch. So you can choose this one, it's an empty template. And here we have the pre-made templates that can help us build our own website and that can save our time. So it can save us from going to build our website from scratch, which take a lot of time. So here I'm just going to use a simple template for selling products, and I can just change the text and change the header, logo and the footer. So let's go with online store and let's see what this platform offers. So here we have a lot of online stores templates. So I think I'm going to use the one that is in the top, which is this one. I don't know its name, it's Alameda. So I'm going to use this one. So let's click on preview Alameda and let's click on view demo site to see the website in full width. Then we will be able to choose if we want to proceed with this template or not. So here it's a pretty simple template. It's about products and the prices and nothing more. So I think it will do very good for me. I just need to empty these products or just change the pictures of the products and description and obviously the price. So I'm going to proceed with this template. I'm just going to click on start with this design and I wait for them to set things up for me. So here they will ask you to give a title to your site. You can always skip this part, but for me I'm going to give it a title to differentiate between my websites, because you can create multiple websites using this platform and I don't want to have an organized work in my websites building. So let's click on continue and then let's close these tabs, we don't need them anymore. So you click on close and in your left you can see a various wide range of sections, and don't worry, I'm going to explain them all for you. So let's start with website. So it's where we can add our pages or change the ones that we already have. We can adjust them from here or delete them from this left side, as you can see the delete button. And then we proceed to the next section, which is the commerce section. It's all about the products and what's related to that, like adding products to our inventory, choosing the ways to get paid, and if we want to get paid by the subscription plans. Also we can manage our orders, inventory, customers and discounts from this section. So let's go back to home and let's proceed to the next section, which is marketing. And it's pretty obvious about everything that is related to growing our audience. As you can see in here, grow your audience. So you have the email campaigns, profiles, the SEO appearance, and the promotional pop-up, announcement bar, and the meta pixels or ads. Let's go back to home and let's proceed to the next one, which is scheduling. And we're not interested in that for this niche. It's pretty much for the ones that use appointment settings or meeting settings to go one-on-one with their clients or their potential clients. And here we have the asset library, where you can save your files or your images to reuse them while you're designing your website. So you can just drag and drop images from the asset library to your products pages. Also, we have the analytics section. It's where you can see your dashboard. You can manage your sales, your traffic, your geography. You can also see your conversion rate, your orders, your units sold, and your revenue, and much more. Then we have the profiles, where you can adjust your or see the profiles of your customers or your leads. And last but not least, we have the settings. We have also help, but it's pretty obvious for asking questions. So we just have the settings. It's where you can set your domain name or your domains. You can also set your Google Workspace. You can change the site's availability from private to public. Also, you can change the site's languages, and you can also set your payment processors from your PayPal account to your Stripe account to your Square account, and you can also change the currency of your store. And for the Square account, you can also connect it if you are from the United States. So let's go back to our home page and let's proceed to the editing phase, where we can edit our template. So we click on edit, and this page will expand to give us more control and more view, and to let us adjust our template. So you can change the header from here. You can click on edit sites header, and you can add your logo, change these sections, change these buttons in here, and you can scroll down to the end, and then you can edit your footer, change these links, and change everything in your footer. You can also change everything in your homepage, from sections to blocks, manage items, edit sections. You can also change the products the way you want. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick tour in this platform to show you how you can create your own website. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.